And the government has planned some areas to relocate victims, especially those who lived in the earthquake epicentrum in Cigeunang. President Widodo also says social funds will be distributed to victims in order to revive social and economic activity.
President Widodo visited refugee shelters built by a secret service in Cigeunang village, Cigeunang, this morning. After reaching the refugee tents, President Widodo involved into small conversation with refugees living there and gave humanitarian aid package for them. He also visited some other tents to ensure health condition of these earthquake victims. Some top officials, including Coordinating Minister of Human Development and Cultural Affairs and Minister of Public Housing, were along with President Widodo. President Widodo has asked related authorities to start reconstruction of houses in some relocation areas. He also ensured that government will distribute social fund on Thursday.
Pagi hari ini saya ke sini untuk memastikan bahwa pertama, yang relokasi hari ini dimulai pembangunannya. Hari ini relokasi dimulai pembangunannya. Kemudian yang kedua, nanti hari Kamis, ini baru persiapan, termasuk verifikasi, semuanya selesai nanti hari Kamis untuk bantuan, yang bukan relokasi, yang bantuan 50 juta, 25 juta, dan 10 juta juga akan diberikan. Hari Kamis dimulai diberikan. Sehingga masyarakat mulai ikut beraktivitas membangun rumahnya, membantu membangun rumahnya. Kita harapkan juga ada kegiatan masyarakat, ada kegiatan ekonomi, ada pergerakan ekonomi. Itu yang kita harapkan.
At most 600 families shelter themselves at this refugee center. They said they are happy when President Widodo visit them.
Senang banget, makasih buat Bapak bisa nyempetin waktu buat lihat kondisi kami di sini, udah peduli sama kita, jaga kehamilannya gitu. Terus nanyain gimana kabarnya sekarang.
Ministry of Public Housing has started reconstructing houses for many victims, especially in two locations, in Cianjur and Mandi. It will finish more than 1,800 houses in April 2023. From Cianjur, West Java, Muhammad Resha and Fani Maulana reporting for MGN.